Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? On this beautiful, sunny Sunday afternoon, it's your host, Bagsy. Apparently, I'm always afraid of sunlight because I'm always inside streaming these fucking episodes. Come on, come all. Let me tweet the fire out. Let everyone know that we're live. And welcome to Bagsy TV. If this is your first time, hit that follow button. Say what's up. I'm actually gonna pull up. I should have done this before. I'm gonna pull up the chats so I can see Twitch and all the other platforms we are streaming on at the moment. So we are almost set up here. Give me a few minutes. And I have a long list of altcoins to get through. So we're going to get through them together like a family. But yeah, how's your afternoon going? Whoever's in chat, say what's up. Feel free to drop in. I got my thing open now. Let's see. Gang, yo, what's up, Kaz Crypto? What's up, Data? What's up, Busters is decent? Good, let's make it a great fucking Sunday afternoon. Okay? Let me close these chats. Yo, so right now we got... Let me see here. Sunday fun day, yo. Tell me what you guys are up to tonight. Any barbecues? Any plans? What's up, Jackson? Any poolside fun? I honestly don't do much of that shit, but I should. Because in a few months it's going to be winter. And Bags is going to be freezing his nuts off. And I'll still be streaming. Just got back from Orange County. And bro, is fucking amazing. That's what I like to hear, man. I haven't been to Orange County yet. But I will. What's up, Slang Order? What is up, Dead Rabbits? Welcome back. Busters, you can do both at the same time, man. I won't take offense to that. It's up, Data. Good stuff, man. But yeah, no, I should definitely drop by Orange County. Get myself a nice tan and a pretty blonde girl. So yeah, this is the list of pain. AKA altcoins, AKA projects that we're gonna go through. Okay? Now, I can't promise I'll go through all of them. I plan on streaming for about an hour or something. And then, once that is that, I'm probably going to make myself some burgers because I have some leftover stuff to cook from yesterday. And yeah, going to get some protein in. I just trained at the gym. Did a bunch of lazy chin-ups. The list of pain. Yo, dude, I'm sorry to call it, but it is what it is. Tell me something about Tezos today. Honestly, Tezos looks good. Like, Tezos is one of the only coins that looks good at the moment. And I'm not saying that to make you feel good, Michael. Yo, what's up, Jahan Khan? Get Link done. Yo, Link is in the list. It's like number 15 or so. BYND got the dick. Yo, we called the top on BYND, my friend, and I think you were there too. We did it together, and we don't even trade stocks. But honestly, it was lucky. Not because I'm good. But the reason why I called tops on it that day is because A, there was a spitting top candle formation, and B, more importantly, the volume was crazy. It was the highest volume candle I had ever seen on that chart, so typically that signifies either a bottom or a top in most instances. So yeah, that's BYND. Let's get to work. We'll actually start with Tezos because it's first on the list. So you're lucky, Mr. Michael. Yeah, Hendrico, we got Haven in. We got that, okay? We're gonna get to Haven, and I saw it pump the other day. So let's look at Bitfinex on the 3-day. You could already see I put out some levels here. Let's delete all this shit. All right, we're gonna do it clean. We're gonna do it right. So, first thing I really love about Tezos, it broke above the POC level, the point of control, the highest horizontally traded level, and it broke through it with force. It got above this whole this all these horizontals, it basically broke through and now it's perching above it. So right now there is not much leaving it in between this and the 20k area. So if things start bull flagging here, or as long as it's able to hold, I see no reason why it won't go to 20k eventually. One thing to note though is that volume did significantly die since the first move up, so we do have a bearish divergence here, and volume still, it's trying. So to be completely frank, I'd probably sell some right now, and if it were to, let's say, make another leg up, I'd buy back in. Because honestly, this could easily retrace back down to 12.2, something like this, and then back up. So that's just my style. But Tezos looks good. Yeah. Against USD? Sure, why not? Why not? I bet it looks great. Yeah, it looks like it's about to go to all-time high on that. Also broke through the POC. The next level significant horizontal I'd look at is probably the $1.64. I might personally take some profit there if we're able to get there, but all things considered, there's no reason why this can't go to all-time high. Honestly, don't know if it will. You know, if Bitcoin starts going crazy, it's going to take a lot for a project to be able to keep up, but I think 20k sats is a reasonable target. Yeah, Link boys. We're getting to Link in a minute. What's good, Hollywood? What's up, DT? Doing well, my friend. Got my Superman shirt on, feeling like a king. Yeah, so Alakamamia meal. Sorry, POC. If I could elaborate. So, actually, VPVR. So yeah, so if you go on Twitch and you click on this YouTube link I just put, that is a video to a tutorial I made on the VPVR, the POC, and all that, so you could check it there. But to summarize what it is, it's the most dollar amount on the area you're looking at has been traded at that POC level. So typically the POC will act as a resistance if broken, if tested from the bottom, and as support if tested from above. Now obviously, as you can see here, Tezos got above the POC and is closing above. So that's, to me, very bullish. Like, not only that, I mean, just horizontally speaking, we never have to go through that area of resistance again, you know, until we make a new POC above and then we retrace. So as long as price is trading above and it's supporting it, then to me that's a nice thing to see if you want to see higher prices. Same on the BTC pairing. So it was at 10,750, right? So we were grinding against it, and for me it wasn't a long until it broke through, which it fucking did. So right now, just looking at the VPVR, there's not much resistance ahead until we get to 20k. That's where, you know, you can clearly see this level here. So yeah, that's in a nutshell. Looks like Algo's back. Yeah, I think Algo's in my list here. We got a lot to go through, so let's get through it. Energy. Wow. I mean, I wouldn't be buying right now. That's for sure. Let's go on lower time frames. Yeah, the volume's been pretty consistent too. I mean, I'd be conditioned to take profit right now, actually. You know? Like most altcoins, it has that, you know, secondary thing and then fucking dumps at resistance here. So I'm programmed to take profit. Now, looking at the volume, it's nice. So technically it could try for new all-time highs. Am I thinking it will? No, but I don't know what energy is. I don't know the market cap. I really don't know jack shit about the project. However, it's not bad. That buyback was nice. As long as we can stay above, I don't know, 5.8, could be pretty bullish. Drop, retest, up, retest, down. So yeah, not bad. Would I be buying it here? As I said, fuck no. It's already done a nice 3-4x. Tezos looks good. Energy. I don't even know what to say about this one. For you guys who watch, you know what it is. Tell. You're welcome, Ash. Are you bidding BTT? No, not at the moment. XRP USD. Can I do a stock? RMAX. Fuck, I don't know if I'll have the time to get through all these, man. I'll still write it down. RMAX. XRP. USD. Yeah, I'm surprised no one else asked for XRP here. So yeah, tell. Ugh. Big picture, it looks like ass. Unless we are able to close back above 700 sats or whatever, 70 sats, I don't know what the value is. If we can close a weekly candle above here, then I'd be more confident in price reaching at least this level, this, and perhaps that horizontal. But for now, I would not be buying it here just because we're at resistance and we have no reason to think that it'll necessarily trade higher, at least until it starts closing above here and giving some type of life. So yeah, that's Altcoin. It had a nice pump from the bottom, but don't get suckered into buying at resistance. You're gonna get fucked. You're welcome, man. What else? Cardano. Oh, Cardano. Fuck. Well, that's not good, boys and girls. Let's look here. We have more history on this. That's Cardano, boys and girls. Not looking great. Sia Coin, I bet you disappointed me further. Yeah, I got stopped out of Sia Coin. Disappointment. Stopped out. Fucking Pascal Coin. I got you, Gainsy. Don't worry. Ooh. Well, the good news is that we're almost at the bottom. The bad news is that the bottom's still 66% lower. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. That's a disaster. Yeah, it's Let's go on the daily. It looks like the MFI is losing strength. There are some bullish divs here. If it can hold this level, it'll probably bounce, but I don't expect much. I think we'll see a small bounce followed by some further downside. Yeah. Pascal, no bueno. BCPT, Block Mason. Yo, what's up, Zorox? Yo, what's up, TJQ Kerr, T Joker, whatever the fuck your name is. Pundix. If it's not on the list, it is now. Okay? We got Pundix, boys and girls. So yo, everyone in chat, thank you for being here, all 38 of you. If you have not done this already, hit that follow button. Say what's up. Let me know you're here. What brought you to this Twitch stream? Is it another channel from Twitch? Is it Twitter? Is it my Discord? You know, how did you guys find me? I'm always curious about this. You never know how people will get to you. Or at least discover you. Yeah. Yeah, we just took over Target Hitrick's channel. Haha. Yeah, Data. Thank you, sir. Yo, DT. I appreciate you. Thank you. You've seen a lot of episodes then. Yo, DT, let me know of an improvement. I'm also working on getting some more emotes in this. Yeah, the people on Periscope. Yeah, I could put that one two and two together, but Dorina and Hendrico. Yo, Lay, Twatter. Perfect, Lay. My man. Appreciate you all. Turnip. Yo, Turnip, my dog. Thanks for the shout out. I like Turnip stream. He seems like a really down to earth dude. Thoughts on entering Link here? I'll let you know in a minute. We're gonna chart Link soon. Thanks, Alec. I can never say your fucking name. I'll call you Alaka if that's cool. It's a tongue twister. XLM, please. XLM. Alright, we'll do XLM. I think XLM's somewhere in the list, but fuck it, I'll add it. Dude, by the time Dumb comes back to streaming, Bagsy TV is going to be bigger than his channel. And then hopefully we'll do collabs. Yeah, I miss Dumb. I wish he'd stream more. I think I'm actually still an admin on the Dumb stream. So hopefully when he comes back, we'll be able to play some marbles and shit. I miss that channel. Is BTC on the list? It is on the list, Tori. It is on the list. Yo, Dead Rabbits, thank you so much for retweeting this. Actually, I'm going to ask a favor from you guys. For those who have not done this already, I'm going to ask that you retweet this to, your followers, friends, family. If you don't have Twitter, share the channel, please. I'd really appreciate that. And there it is for you guys. Thank you if you can do that. And if not, it's all good too. So yeah, let's get to block credit. Shit. Yeah, I mean, fuck. This does not look good, guys. It at this point, like, and again, none of this is financial advice, ladies and gentlemen. This is just my opinion on the market. I would get the fuck out of Block Mason credit protocol. Sorry. Get out. And if it starts mooning, I'm sorry and you can blame me, but I gotta call it as I see it, right? Gotta be honest. Is FTM on the list? It is on the list. Let's get Sam on. Yeah, that's a great idea. I'd love to get Sam from Alameda on. The new market makers on the block. Let's look him up here. SFP, Alameda, SBF. There you go. This dude, CEO of FTX, a brand new exchange that allows you to short or long the altcoin indexes. Apparently, they have some cool shit. I haven't yet tried it, so until I do, my words are not worth too much. But apparently, some people have liked using his platform, and from the interviews that I've glanced over, he seems like an intelligent dude who wants to make some bank. So hopefully, he does it right. But yeah, welcome, Sam, and I'd love to have you on. So yeah, I'd get out of that coin. Go, honestly, I don't know which one Go is. Probably Go Chain. If it's not Go Chain, yeah, same story. And we're like losing support and there's no volume. We're probably gonna see one of those capitulation candles at some point. Big ass candle, drop, wick, and then whatever. So Go Chain, get out. EVX. Alameda took the throne. Arthur in the jungle. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. He has prodigy hair. That's funny. EVX. I mean, that was a nice little dead cat. Almost 100%. But let's go on the daily. Yeah, this is not good. I mean, it's just like that. So I think that was just a dead cat or a pump and followed by a secondary. I don't think it's natural. I obviously don't know the FA right now, but behind Everex, I don't know if they have their credit cards or whatever are working. So maybe that's the reason for this volume. I don't know for sure. But if Everex has nothing going on, then I think it's just a pump and dump, sadly. For now, stay out. SHR. SHR, there is no SHR. Maybe it's a stock? Schindler's Holding. That sounds fucking cheerful. Let's zoom in. I don't know, it seems to me like it's losing strength. I'd probably short it. Then again, we still have the POC right here at 184, so I'd prefer longing it actually, since we've been in an uptrend forever, so why fight the trend? However, I would not long it right here. I'd wait for price to break out, maybe consolidate, and then I'd long take it to the moon. Schindler. If that's Schindler, wait for breakout. Descending trend line. MFT, one we all know very well. Crypto Doom. Yo, what's up, Slow Steady? Turtles and bones. The fuck? Oh, those are not bones. The stocks, here we go. I've been sitting on a bag of OCN since early 2018. Should have dumped May 18th, but didn't. Thoughts? Oh yeah, RMAX. I got you. I think I wrote it. Here, we got RMAX written down there, slaying. I got you, brother. OCN. I'll put it on there, but you have to wait. We have a lot of hungry customers here today. MFT. I could already tell you to stay the fuck out. This is pathetic. Pathetic. This project is become a meme. Like I've never seen a project just suffer so badly. I don't think, I mean, apart from Zcash obviously, which I think is part of our fun list. Stay out. Wind. Wink, wind. What the fuck is this? How do you want me to chart this? How do you want me to... Ah, shit. God damn it. Got an important phone call. But I can't take it. It's like I gotta charge my phone. Oh, god damn. You guys come first. Link. Yeah, don't worry, Fork. It's coming. Yeah, links on the list. Yo, what's up, Maxense? Check LTO and BAT. I don't think those are on the list. Let's add them. LTO, BAT. Take it if it's important. Yeah, yo, salut. Ça va, kid? So yeah, Wink, I can't chart this for you. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, sorry. Arc. That volume is so deceiving. This right here. It does not look good. I mean, technically it's at, if it's gonna bounce, this is where it's gonna bounce. Do I think it's gonna bounce? I don't have much of a reason to think so. Nor has it given me much of a reason to think so. If you're bullish, this would probably make the best risk to reward entry. Something like this. Put your stop out. Long it to the first trouble area. So you long it to about here. You can even set your bids a bit lower if you're anticipating it runs the stops. Something like that. Would I long it? No. Just because you can see there's still some overhead pressure just smashing against it just by the length of that wick. So I honestly think new lows are on the table for ARC. QNT. Do it on this one. Yeah, don't worry, Maxence. I'll check BTC for you. I will check BTC for you. Doji Soar. Like, Wind just came out like a few days ago. I can't chart it. It wouldn't be fair to you. Storage. Yo, what's up, Estaj on the YouTube side? Storage QKC. Sure, why not? Storage QKC. We'll do QNT. Quant. Dude. If you guys have been trading Quant, my boy Krillin, Crypto Krillin, he has, I don't think I've seen one dude scalp Quant or any coin as well as this guy has. His tag is LSD in my coffee. Give the dude a follow if you're into trading and all that. Right now he's at some LSD party and you can see he's doing some shit. But when he gets back, dude, follow him. So all that to say, Quant right now, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Kind of reminds me of what Tomo did recently. It had original like one run up and then a weaker pump. So where do I think it's gonna bounce? That's a good question. We don't have the VPVR tool here, so it's kind of hard to gauge where the volume was. However, yeah, this area would make sense for a bounce. Let me turn this off. This area and probably here. So that's 50. That's 646 and 508. Right now we're at 739. I think 73.9k sats or some shit. Yo, what's up, Michael? Yeah, we'll chat. We'll chat. Hey, we'll chat. Yeah, we'll chart. Nem. Sure, let's add it to the list of pain. QNT will drop. Well, further. I don't like speaking in absolutes. 64. Ren. I think Ren pumped today. They released some news. Nice. So yeah, so if we could stay above 1104, if we could close the daily above, even better would be like 1160. If we could close the daily above 1160, then we'll probably go for new highs. I like it. It's pretty bullish. We're still at resistance, so I wouldn't be necessarily purchasing here. The time to buy was down here and down here. However, yeah, looks good. You really like NUM, don't you? CZ 500 IQ. BTC 11. Yeah, let's do Bitcoin quick. Gotta check on that because this will... Nice. So yeah, so I did a little scalp scenario yesterday. Technically, it missed it by 20 bucks, so had I monitored it, I would have been out around there. Or I would have moved my stop up to break even. So now, Bitcoin's looking really bullish. This is a nice 4-hour close. Let's see what the 12-hour looks like. So yeah, like I'd wait for this candle to... I'd wait for this to close. However, it's looking like it's at least gonna go to... I don't know, I think it's gonna go to at least 11,367, which is the pocket of the range at POC. Technically there are two competing ones, so yeah. I look at this area. Let me do a little box. Boom. So yeah, it's looking good. What's up? Hey girl, how you doing? I see you. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin's looking good. What else do we have? Ren looking bullish. At resistance. Matic. Damn, Matic. Well, I'm glad I didn't enter that shit. Yeah, so now technically we broke through the... Like I was looking at 103, waiting on this level. Now I can delete that. This level's here. And we technically lost the POC, so the next thing that I'd be looking at right now is, let's put this on the daily, probably 65? Not to say we're not going to bounce intermittently, but maybe 68. Worst case scenario, fucking 49. You know, if I were to set some buys, I'd probably put some at 49. Because I'd expect some people to put their stops beneath there, thinking they're safe. So if I were to get in on Matic, I'd probably, set some at 49. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'd expect some type of bounce at 65 to 68 first. So two scenarios. One, dip into there, bounce, reject, dip into there, up, or just straight up chaos and then a huge bounce. So you could play it either way. I don't know. Be careful in knife catching. Can I add one? Yes, I can add one. Or do you mean one? If you mean one coin, sure. If I can add one, sure. Just let me know which one. Yo, we got 46 motherfuckers in here on Twitch. Thank you for joining, for being a part of the festivities, and to being part of the quickest growing channel on Twitch. On the crypto side, at least. Knife catching before the Binance US purge. Yeah, I mean, you could. You could if, like, you're putting some bids at 5, 10 sats, like really dirt bids, not even 49. You do like 49, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Represent. What are we representing, Harry Hen? Yo, what's up, Bitcoin brokers? Did I do FTM? I don't think I did FTM. Let's see what we did. We did not do FTM. It's actually in the next coin. So you are in luck, my friend. Welcome to Bagsy TV. If you haven't done this already, make sure to hit that follow on Twitch. That's where I do the majority of my interaction. Also, in case you guys have not noticed, my boy Infamous is giving away a free rebrand. Basically what a rebrand is, he does a sick ass logo for you. Like, it's worth 1 Ethereum, but it's worth a lot more to me. Anyway, so he's giving one away. So if you guys want to take part in that, you follow him on Twitter, me on Twitch, and all you got to do is like, retweet, and next Sunday I will be drawing the winner, and basically you'll be able to tell him what you want, and he'll design it for you. And he has a fucking sick portfolio too. I'm actually going to represent him right now because he's my boy, and he does really good work, and he's done a lot of work for the people on crypto Twitter, Venture Coinist, Trader Main, Korean Jew, all these guys. So as you can tell, he does some pretty sick work. So make sure you enter that contest. It costs you nothing, and get in a cool design. So that's that. Matic right now, as I said, I'd wait for death. Do I think it'll happen right away? Not necessarily, but I'd wait for that. FTM. We'll do it first on Binance, then on... Right, so... Right now, FTM is at the POC of the range. So... Yeah, I still think we're going to hit 181 or 180, something like that. We had a little bounce here off the POC, but it's looking kind of like boom, boom, boom. So I think we'll get a wick into maybe all the way down to 174, 180, and then we'll see how it reacts. So I still think we have more downside. More downside. Matic. More downside. Cent. A lot of you people are here for Cent right now. Dash. Sure. I mean, Sentinel. Oh boy. I mean, a lot of people asked me to chart this today, and I don't know why. So... I mean, I think FA-wise, the project's doing well from what I hear and what I saw today. So at least there's that. I think their VPNs are running. I want to make sure this is the right Cent, because I think there are a few, but I do think it's this one, Sentinel Protocol. I'd want to see it get back above 177 on a daily close, at least. So I'd want to see price create a low and get back above here. From there, if we can close a daily or two above here, then you could probably long it to the 24 K level or whatever that is. I don't really think it's very strong at the moment. To me, it's looking like, one bounce, then one weaker bounce, then no bounce. So that's sent. Stay out. Link. Bet I just gave you half of you in chat an erection by saying those 4 letters. Right, good news is that we're staying above that one resistance I've been looking at, which is 22.8. So, good news is that we seem to be managing to hold it. I'd really want to see us get above probably 25, just because you can tell from the VPVR that this was the last high volume node area before we get into clear sailing. So if we manage to bounce here, whatever, reject it, consolidate, then get above, there's not that much holding it back. To me, this volume yesterday was not, I didn't anticipate it would happen, so I'm cautiously bullish on Link. However, the better long would be to wait for a close above 25k on the daily and then position yourself for more upside. So let me write cautiously bullish. I'm cautiously bully, And yo, we have 50 on Twitch right now. We're killing the game. You better add my favorite coin in PXS. I think it's in there. I think it's in this list of death. Yeah, it is. What's up? Tvorosh nas nemaza. Bugsy, it's Bagsy. Bugsy. I probably butchered your name too. I will chart NKN. If you spell my name right next time, I'll chart 2. Dash? Yeah, I gotta put dash. God damn, so many fucking coins. You guys are gonna make me go crazy. I might have to take a toke or two after, or in between. A little toke break. Fuck. I don't know what this... Sometimes I doodle and shit, and I don't know what I was thinking when I did it, but yeah, I think price was trading around here, and it's okay, so there's a decent bullish div here. I still think we might see one more leg down to maybe like 660, 680 before we see some upside. Just because we do have a bullish div on the CCI, which is good. However, the CCI is still pretty deep on the negative side, meaning sell pressure is still present. So I'd want to see the CCI at least cross below 70 or something like that. And from there, I'd consider longing, but I still think it's a bit too early. Engine, a bit more downside. Hot. Ugh. Ugh, I got a shiver. Hot, you're not supposed to do me like that, brother. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna clean up my chart. Delete this. So right now we're heading to target 7-8 sats. We had this bounce here at 11. A long would have given you a bit under 20%, but once it broke through stops, got hit, and now we're probably gonna test the lows. I think maybe not 7 sats, probably 8. I'd personally look for 7, 8, and then play the bounce all the way to 11. Don't touch hot until they deliver. Yeah. Do you ever do fundamental analysis on stream? I haven't, but I can. Oops. If enough people want me to, I might sacrifice a stream for it. Bagsy, Huawei man, update me link, man. I just did link, bro. You gotta go on my Twitch. So you go on twitch.tv/BagsyTV. You click follow, then you click on videos, or you could click on this live one right now and move it back. Actually, I don't know if you can do that right now, but once the video is done, I'll have it up for you. But, yeah. So Hot's on its way to Target. I'm just messing with you, Tvoro. You could call me Bugsy. I don't give a fuck. I'll definitely chart and can for you. Don't worry about that. FA shitcoin stream would be cool. FA's boring. Yeah. Is there any FA and shitcoins? Yes. Yes, there is. But there are a few pitfalls when doing that. And if enough people want it, I'll do a little stream on it. Or reveal some little secrets. Maybe it'll help you guys. Let's get back to this fucking graveyard. Hot on the way to 8 sats. 7, 8 sats. Haven, you. Alright, I'd get out of Haven right now. Because we had this descending, whatever, falling wedge, if you want to call it that. And we broke out for, yeah, right into resistance. So yeah, I'd get the fuck out of Haven right now. If price were to bounce here, let's say, and close back above 42.4 or whatever this value 4243, then I consider longing it, and I'd probably take it to 71 or at least 57. However, to me this is just a dead cat bounce, and I would get out of Haven. Get out. Get out. I always think of a demon when I say it. Fucking Skycoin. Call it Earthcoin. What Dash doing, please? Yeah. Sorry, I mean, it's probably not what you Haven boys wanted to hear, but yeah. What was I doing? What was I doing? Yeah, I think Phantom's in the list. Oh yeah, I already did Phantom. We got some more downside to the 180 area. Skycoin. Get out. DApps. Oh shit, everyone's talking about Dash right now. Yeah, I wrote, it's there. Alright, DApps. Man, fucking told you guys to sell that shit at 600. All the Dash boys giving me shit. Now you could have bought twice as much DAP, 3 times as much if you caught this wick. Nobody listens to Bagsy when he talks about taking profit. Link breakout, I don't know, Plainview. I'm cautiously bullish. Could be. Could be. Honestly, I'm glad alts don't have mass. Other they'd have collapsed into a singularity by now. That's funny. Monero boys. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually gonna chart Dash. People keep mentioning it. It sounds interesting. Holy fuck. Fuck, now you could barely afford an apartment in New York, let alone a building. Yeah, Manhattan condo. Damn, that sucks. Dash, get out. Fuck, imagine shorting that. Glorious. Daps, not bad. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. I want to say it'll pop to like 500. Kind of rounding out, pop, continue. But with Bitcoin looking strong, I It's hard for me to say that. Yep. Let me. Oh, thank you, Lay. Appreciate you. Thank you for the retweets, everyone. I'll retweet it again. Dash is a dead 2017 meme. Yeah. You hate ads on Twitch, Bags. You talk about. Ooh, I still have to iron out. Yeah, Porky. I just did actually. I just did. Just marketed it. But thank you for reminding me. Alright, what's next on this list? Dero. Yeah, Dero honestly had a really nice bounce. I'm surprised it did that once we pulled back. So now, if we can hold 10.9 or at least 10.4, I think we could see another leg up at most to the 18.8 level. But for now, it's just a double top. So I'd be cautious longing. Stops tight. But then again, with Bitcoin, as I said, doing what it's doing, it's hard for me to say, buy this coin or I think it's going to go up. All things considered, it's up to Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish. Bodmon, what's up, Bagzy? Late to the stream. Do you post those notes somewhere? These notes? I'll consider it. Dero, what could I say about Dero? Needs to hold 10.9. Looking decent. I guess CHX. Own. Man, this had a cycle of its own right here, huh? It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. Can maybe see a pullback to the 10K area, I think, or 1K, 10K. I don't know what the value is exactly, but I like that we're seeing some uptrends on trending on the MFI, on the RSI. Let's see the volume. Yeah, decent buyback today. I think CHX looks good. What's one clear level of resistance that we're gonna have trouble with on CHX is the 26K area, so that's something to look for. But yeah, as long as we can hold this trend line here, maybe go for I'd set some bids around the 10K, a bit above it. See if I can get catch one of these bounces. Maybe to here. Then play it back. If it does that, I don't fucking know, but you could get at least a 30% bounce from this. Take out profit at these trouble areas there. So yeah, looks good. SNTVT. That's another coin that a lot of people were demanding. QNT, yeah, don't worry about that. I got QNT. We just did it actually. QNT, I think we're going to see further downside to 646, all the way down to 508 potentially. What's that zombie that keeps popping up on the stream? That's every person that subscribes to the stream. I think it's still a bit glitchy. It might pass too fast, but yeah. Can you post the notes from the stream on Twitter? It'd be a long list, man. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, Henry, that's a good point. Fix Nightbot. Cap. Hard cap. Whatever. I'll get the point. Alright, what's next? This, I mean, shit. I think it just... It needs to bounce now. If not... $1,400. So yeah, further downside. I would long if we could close above 24K. If we could get some candle closes above here on the daily, I'd long it to 33. But for now, until we see that, I think we're gonna break through there. RSR, my baby, I got stopped out on this motherfucker. So yeah, I got stopped out here at 28. Got a partial rebuy, but for now it's just a dead cat. I want to see it regain this trend line that we lost here. For now, it's a decent bounce. I mean, it's logical. This was a horizontal. So for now, it's just a dead cat into resistance. It could go back to here, retest, move up, or it could create a higher low. Which one? I don't know. I do not know. But all I do know is I want to see it reclaim that trend line. It must. RSR. Oh bueno. INS. Yeah, we did QNT. No, Dead Rabbits. I think you're right. That's kind of what I'm considering. It's a good point. You're having bad reception. Did we do QNT? Yes, Abby Dearest. We did QNT. I think we're going to drop a bit further. Can I check RSR USDT? Sure. Why not? Since you asked so kindly. Oh, thank you, Sine. I appreciate you. So on the USDT pairing, I mean, it looks better. It looks better. But right now we're at the POC. So for it to look really better, we need to see it close above 29.72. For now, yeah, I can't be bullish at resistance. If we can get above that 29.72, then we're Gucci, at least a 35. But for now, that's what I'd look at. You're welcome, DT. My pleasure. Trying to skip my pairs. Nah, we don't skip pairs here. We do work. We do fucking work. INS. INS is looking bad. Bad. Let me delete all this fucking shit. Excuse my language. I curse a lot sometimes. Yeah, INS, I mean, there's a nice bullish div, but it's still a disaster. It needs to hold this 230. Like, it needs to hold that. Some interesting volume bars lately, but I don't know if they're accumulation. I don't know what they are. Yeah. I think it has, honestly, further downside. Algo cucked a lot of people recently. Interesting. Okay. So, here's the deal. Last time I streamed, I said it needs to stay above 665 on the daily for this to still be viable. It's literally at that value. So in 3 hours from now, I'll be able to tell you more what I think. Let's go on lower time frames. I'm cautiously bullish. Needs to hold. Needs to hold 665. Hacking. Cena, you're ruthless. You're ruthless. So yeah, that's the thing about hacking. I actually didn't know it pumped. One line could tell you where to take profit and get the fuck out of position. So yeah, I had noticed bullish div, small fake out, and boom, moon. 300% about. Right into the first resistance. So if I were in hacking right now, I'd get out. Get out now. But that's just me. I take all my profit, leave. Then if you're a diehard fan, whatever, and if price can close back the daily above 360, you get back in and you long it to the next level of horizontals. But until then, just look at what it did. Look at what it's doing. It's not, to me, this is just people getting out, taking profit and leaving. So that's what I would do on hacking. I'd get out. DGB. Digibyte. Oh god. What the fuck is this data? It's not looking good. I don't know where it's gonna go. If this is legit, I'd look at 67 for a bounce. I don't know if this information's accurate. Can I do euro? Yeah, sure. NZD. Is OX on the 0x? ZRX? Nah, but it can be. RX. Yeah, 60, 70. Something like that. Digibyte. Get out. Dusk. A lot of Dusk fanboys. Why? Oh man, what a pump this thing had. Y'all came in with the pump. I can see why you guys are excited. Fuck. Yeah, I'd get out. There's no reason to be bullish on Dusk. Not until it reclaims 11.8 as support. Then this level, 13.7. I'd get out personally. Sorry. Get out. PLA, the fuck is that? Plot. Hold up, I think my laptop died. 1 second. I need it for my stream. Alright, 1 second. Lost my other chat. When laptops get old, the battery dies so quickly. PLA, if you're talking Altcoin, I could already tell you it's probably a piece of shit. Holy fuck. Well, I'm gonna swallow my words. What is this disaster? This is a confusing chart. I mean, on one end you have this crazy wick and a buyback. On the other, we're trending beneath resistance on decreasing volume. I long the breakout, but this can equally just go back down. There's nothing holding, I don't know what this coin is. It's too new. Oh no, this is actually the weekly. What is Platin coin? What a pump. It managed to maintain its value pretty well. I don't know. Don't touch. Juice. Is this a stock? Probably a stock. The weird tickers. Not even a stock. You guys have these shit coins that don't even have charts or charting capabilities. Crack me up. Let's see. Bitcoin Cash. I mean, we're at resistance right now. I would not be long. That's for sure. I'd be short. Yeah, I'd be short. Beam. We're about to close the weekly in a bit under 3 hours. 3-day looks good. Daily, I think we could get all the way back to 104-ish. And if we get a nice bounce here, then I think we'll see upside to 15. But I want to see, that inverse head and shoulder meme. That'd be nice. 10 of whatever needs bounce. Seal. It's probably going to be one of the more bullish charts we've seen. Yeah, Seal had a really nice up move from the lows. However, we are at horizontal resistance. There are some bearish divs on the volume, but not on the RSI. Well, barely. There is one, but it's a lot weaker than the MFI. I think we could still see one more leg up, just because one impulse, 2, 3, 4. I think one could happen. Would I risk it here? Fuck no. I'd be taking profits, exiting position fully right now. But I can see the argument for it having one more leg. But we are at resistance, and I would not be interested in longing it. If you did want a long seal, you could probably catch a bounce at 17.5, maybe 1800. 18.9, I think that'd be a good bounce level. However, yeah. Celsius coin. Yeah, we got too many coins. We're closing the door on new subscriptions. All right, so Seal at resistance. Take profit. Zell Cash. Let us see. I'd be exiting. I think the run's over on this one. I mean, we're getting rejected here. If we can't get back above 14.1, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think this is done. If it makes one more leg up, sue me, but yeah, I think the top is in. FET. Yo, the IEOs do not look great right now. Warning you guys. So yeah, got a weak ass bounce when we broke out. Weak. Let me delete this. So now I'd get out, to be honest. Get out. Maybe set some stink bids below. Something like that. BNB. Honestly, I'd get out. I think we'll see some type of drop to the 20K, maybe all the way as low as 18.6, and then we'll see a bounce, correction, maybe consolidation, then whatever it's going to do. But this does not look bullish to me. I don't know. Does anyone know what time Tezos deposits open on Coinbase tomorrow? Maybe someone can help. Oh, BTC dumped. Interesting. So that's going to be good for your shitcoins. When you guys say dumped, what do you mean dumped? Let's see. Oh, didn't even take out this. Let's go on the 1 hour. I mean, this might be a fake out, to be honest. If it can hold this whatever level, what, 805, 10.8. If we start seeing some crazy volume and it just fucking going, then I look for a bounce. Probably around 10.1. Oh, sorry, not 10.1. I mean 10.6. But we still haven't taken out the liquidity above here or even tested this, so we do see a 3-point bearish div though. That's interesting. So yeah, if we can hold this pocket around here, I think it's still bullish. But we'll see how much volume comes in. We'll check that soon. Yeah, Porky, good luck, my friend. Tori, good luck. Dragon, dragon, fuck the dragon. Dragon chain. Dragon chain, yo. So yeah, that long would have worked out. I didn't take it. But, yeah, it's looking pretty bad. I don't like this volume candle. Some bearish ass shit. Dragon. Get out. Morpheus Labs. Not looking the worst. Hold up, I gotta scratch my nose, guys. I gotta take the mask off. 1 second. Where is the display? Not the display. There you go. Boom, it disappeared. I'm a ghost now. 1 second. I'll even put a tissue on it because I'm so paranoid. Oh, man. Being under that mask is fucking hard. It's hard work. Let me take a couple tokes. Yeah, man. What's up, the Black Stallion? What's going on, man? Where are you from? Charles Hoskinson abducted by aliens. I'm actually really curious. Charles Hoskinson has reportedly been abducted by aliens. What is this? Is this like the Onion for crypto? This is so stupid. You guys are so funny. Cali baby, SoCal. Yo, it sounds fucking nice down there. Imagine I popped out of my mom's belly with a fucking mask. That'd be a sight for sore eyes. In Periscope, someone said, "Why are you paranoid?" I'm not paranoid. I'm just cautious. The day I do reveal my face, I want it to be a grand event. Not me doing some Twitch stream and fucking up. You know? Yo, what's up from Canada, Mr. YYC Bean? What's up, brethren? Canada represent. What part of Canada? Yo, face reveal when Bitcoin hits 100K. That's actually pretty smart. Smash. That is smart. Maybe that'd be one hell of an event. Like that's gonna be a top signal when I reveal my face. Sorry, that's a top call. Yo, wagwan, man. OLT. Yo, Fat Boy Slim. Unfortunately, I'm not taking any more requests because we got a fucking shitload to do. However, I will do another one of these streams next week, and you'll be able to ask me then. Sorry about that. Thinking we retrace to 10.6 before another leg up. 10.6. It's possible. I mean, let's say violent dump. Take out the stops here. Fill. And then back up. That's very, very possible. Sure. That's reasonable. Do I think we're going to do that? I mean, it would hurt the most people, so it's very possible. However, if we can close the hourly above, let's say 850, then we'd be good. Let's look at the 15-minute. This is where Ace would come in handy with his SMAs and all that. Yeah, not an impressive buyback yet. Yeah, it's a possibility, dude. 100%. All right, let's get back to these charts. Let me get my mask back on. 1 second. Alrighty then. MITX. So yeah, it's not looking bad. If it could hold this higher low it just made, so 20.2, then we could probably double top at 28, something like that. At most, like 41. I would even say safer bet would be 36. In these conditions, do I think it'll happen? It depends what the MITX is up to. If they have some bullish news coming up, perhaps. But right now, I'd just be very cautious with the alts. But this looks good so far. If it can hold 20.2. Steam. Let's look at Steam on this. Shit. Smoke out of dope. Leon, what you talking about, man? There's no dope on this stream. So yeah, it's looking horrible. What a... This is a... This is actually really sad. I'm not even laughing. This is just sad. Sad, sad. Steam holders are steaming. I mean, there's no... This is not good. I'd have to say, get out. Bolt. Jesus. What happened? Didn't this project have a lot of merit? We're back at 11K. What? Yo! Yo, that is crazy. Yo, Porky, let's go! Interesting. Yo. Alameda's doing work. Fucking up retail. Yeah, let me check my Twitter quick. Being intelligent brings unwanted and sometimes unexpected challenges, which would put you in uncomfortable situations. To have a more enjoyable life, most times it's better just to be humble, shut the fuck up, and play it dumb. Yeah, I agree. Maybe not the shut the fuck up part, but yeah, if you're not thinking too much, I mean, maybe you have less worries. So when you're smart, maybe it means that, unexpected challenges because you actually think a lot and you're trying to achieve a lot. Then again, does intelligence mean achievement? No. So I'm just thinking out loud right now. I wish I had Ace or someone on to talk with me, but I have you guys, luckily. What do you guys think about this comment? And it was a comment to this poll I did. Do you consider yourself more intelligent than the average? And intelligence by your definition. Because there are many forms of intelligence. So 70% of people think that yes, they are more intelligent than the average. So clearly 20% of that poll is, I guess 15% is wrong. But yeah. Fucking Twitter. Yo, Henry, thanks for the retweet. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. Hold up, let me check my DMs quick. We got some messages. This guy keeps fucking spamming me. Hold up. Doom. Anyone want to join stream? Alright, let me read chat quick. Ignorance is bliss. Yeah, that's well said. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I go with whatever is easiest, but sometimes it's necessary to reveal. Just grabbing some food. Did Sam agree? I don't know. You didn't have the chance to ask him yet, my friend. Average people don't realize they're average. The Dunning-Kruger effect. Although intelligence can help you appreciate a wider array of pleasantries in life. I'm the smartest farm animal. That's funny. All right, let me get done with these DMs. Alright, that's that. That's that. Back to Twitch. 49 in stream. Yo, what rank are we right now? 1 second, let me turn this back on for you guys. Boom. We're back. Peekaboo, motherfuckers. Crypto. Yeah, we're second right now. And we're catching up to this 24/7 stream. The ghost stream. I'm just kidding, they're not ghosts. But I like it when real people talk. They have real people working on there, but they're not always live. So I like that one-on-one interaction, you know? You can actually see what's going on. I think that's a big thing that we do that not many people do. And I appreciate your viewership. Very much. Where do you get the order book you have on screen there? Yeah, DM me after. Yeah, good point, Sini. Good point. Alright, let's get back to work, guys. We got some more shit to get through. Bolt, it looks bad. Sorry, Bolt Squad. Get out. Beaksy. I charted Beaksy yesterday. Oh, sorry, it took a second to load. I got unpleasant. What's up, Algusa? How you doing? Beaksy. Oh, so it just broke through. Fuck it. I mean, if it bounces, this is it. Like, this bounce, you better set some stops beneath here and pray. This would be a logical place for it to bounce. Do I think it will? I don't know for how much. You can maybe bank... What is this? 6%? Maybe 7.3%. So what I'm looking at is something like this. And then for now, I have no reason to think it'll just go, you know, like this. Like Beaksy as a platform need to do a lot of things properly. Not to say that they're not, but basically they've done the front work. Like they have an exchange that works, functioning. They have people, but they just don't have enough customers. So I'm sure they're working really hard on it. However, like customers makes or breaks a business. So hopefully they get it together. And because from what I hear, it's actually a good platform. Just there's not enough volume on it at the moment. So that's one to keep an eye on. However, as an exchange token, preferably I would wait. Let's look at Huobi token just for the fuck of it. While we're on the exchange tokens thing. Damn. Yo. Alright, so it went right into resistance here. So I think if we were to see a bounce, I think this is a logical place for it to bounce. Let's see if on lower time frames there's any bullish divs or something that could maybe indicate that I'd still be patient on a Huobi token. So yeah, Beaksy, let's say, get out, stop loss beneath lows. Why did my trend line disappear? Sometimes my things disappear. Yeah, I never made it to T1. Never made it to T2. Got 20% though, but that wasn't enough. So yeah. That is Huobi token. Theta. This is hard work, boys and girls. Fucking hard work. Yeah, 24/7 bot streams are shit. No mic, no cam. It's true. Yes, thanks. Good. Good, 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 good. RMAX, yo, it's coming, slang order. You know what? For you, I will do RMAX ahead of time. Let's put on the weekly, and then we'll go down to the daily. Yeah, 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 yeah. What happened? What did you guys do? It's a religious candle, my friends. I, uh, I, I'd probably buy it, to be honest. I don't know the fundamentals. I don't know why it did that, but I can't short at resistance. So if I had to take a position, I'd probably long and set a stop beneath that wick. Let's see how quick this happened. Let's see how it happened. Oh, someone just dumped. So I think we'll probably see something like this. Or like this. So I consider longing either from 27 or from 26.20 and stop beneath like 24.76 or something like that. Then again, I don't know why I did that. I just don't like shorting at resistance. So if I had a gun to my head, that's what I'd do. Remax, good luck. Theta. Actually, let's read why I did that. I'm curious. So its earnings, they made a lot more money than they thought they would, and it's still dumped. So yeah, I'd probably go long. I mean, more money's great. So yeah. What's next on our shit list? Theta. Theta. Let's go in this theta. So yeah, we had a slight bearish div here that I caught yesterday, and so far we're correcting. Oh, we should see a bounce around this area. That would make sense. Where is my rectangle? There. But overall, let's look at the weekly. Let's zoom out. Get a real taste for what's happening. It's a pretty bearish weekly candle, actually. Yeah, we got rejected at resistance pretty badly up here. Yeah, it's hard to be bullish on theta at the moment. The volume wasn't that impressive either. It was less than this one. So I would personally, I'd get out. Raven. Raven, I'm waiting on 268. I think I'm gonna get it. Because I'll bet There are a lot of stop losses here waiting to be triggered. A lot of money to be made. So I definitely set some buys down here. Personally, again, not financial advice. But if I were to make money on that, I would do that. Maybe all the way down to 150. Catch a crazy wick. That would probably be the smartest thing. If you wanted to long Raven in the first place. Because right now this weekly is disgusting. And if we close beneath 411, 417, sorry, it's not good. No good. Did I already do BTT? I did not do BTT. Is it on the shit list? Let's see. Did we do BTT? Yeah, we did a lot today. Sorry, sir, no BTT today. And I capped off the list at ZRX, so that's slaying order. You're long on RMAX. Good shit. BCV. We looked at ABC, but unfortunately, BCV is not on the list, and I'm not making any more additions at the moment. Yo, Malone, you motherfucker. Fine, because it's you. BCV. Who will be? God damn you. When it's a friend. Oh, you gotta do it. BCV. Who will be? Wow. Wow. Nice. That's a nice chart. If we can... Let's see if our VPVR works there. If we could stay above... Shit. Let's go on the daily. See if we could find some better levels. If we could stay above this 18.7 to 19.6k area, next area of resistance is around 33, and that's 55% above. I'd probably take profit a bit below, around 31. I'm not that greedy. I'd probably shave 25% off at this double top thing right here, in case it's not ready to run yet. But this volume's really nice. Let's see the... Yeah, it's one of the nicer charts. Yeah, it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at me trying my Elliott waves. And guys, I'm not good at Elliott waves. Don't take my Elliott waves things, memes for granted. But I do find when you can see a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 impulse wave correction, 2, 3, that tends to play out more often than not. So we got, boop. So yeah, that's BCV, bro. Mr. Malone. How you doing? Behave, Bagsy. Oh shit. That's really cool, Porky. I didn't know. You just got Malone. No, we didn't work the euro, but it's coming. It's we got a few more to get to, guys. So Raven, get out. CS credits. I bet this is gonna be scary. Yep. Oh my god, what is that candle? Someone dumped a lot there. Get out. Ardor. Get out. At least wait till it reclaims 96.7k or 9.6k. I don't know the denomination. Wait for it to climb above that, then maybe long it. Till now, I get out. Oh, Zill. So much hope. Oh yeah, Tori, that is true. Thanks for the reminder. I'm glad that worked out. Sam the Legend, our new Arthur. He seems like a charismatic person. I definitely wanna listen. So yeah, Zill, get out. XRP USD. This should be a fun one. It's a stable coin, guys. Well, it better hold. That's all I'll say. It's up to that trend line. Not much on trend lines though. So to be fair, we'd probably put a horizontal around here. 29 cents. If it breaks 29. Oh no, lights out. Yeah. When's the conference on this shit? If they have a conference in September, maybe they're gonna pump it. Do I pay taxes? Yes, I pay taxes. QNT. You guys have to pay your taxes. QNT. I think we already looked at QNT, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, further downside. See, I'm hopping. I'm hopping right now. Let's get this list done with. You can see I got lazy at the end of my analysis. We started off with, different words, and it's just like, get out, get out, get out, get out. Sorry, that is the state. All right, Pundix. Porky, I got you, bro. We're here. We are here. Yeah, so the notes are the same. Lack of convincing volume. Strong sell pressure. I would honestly still... Let's go on the daily. Okay, what I do like is that the CCI is attempting to cross green. Yeah, I'd still... It's hard for me to say get out when it's at 5 sats, right? I don't know. Which you could also do, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend, would be to set some stink bids at 1 or 2 sats. Hope you catch that and then sell out at a better average price, so you're not selling at a loss. You could sell at 5 sats here and also set some stink bids. That's another thing. Personally, I have no reason to think that Pundix will necessarily reverse here. I mean, we're close to the bottom, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. I get that. But so far, there's no reason to hope for that. At least not yet. So, Pundix, good luck. XLM. Oh dear. Wow. Grim, it depends. Typically, scale in, scale out. Get out of QNT, I can't tell you what to do, but if you listen to my analysis, you know, firstly, you shouldn't be listening to what I'm saying. You could take it with a grain of salt. It's an opinion, right? But you shouldn't be basing your trading off of me. I'm just a dude who has a bit of experience, who's sharing his thoughts, right? I'm wrong very often, and I'm right sometimes. So, you know, try to do your own due diligence and try to learn risk management for yourself. And also, you should have a plan when you get into a trade in the first place. I mean, just from your comment, I don't know if you're a long-term, supporter or you just want to do a trade, but if you're already in quant and you've been in quant for a while, typically you should have a plan. So you know what you're doing when you get in and you know when to get out. And that way you'll save a lot of money in the long run. Write that down. Yo, take care, Porky. Ren, yeah, we covered Ren. It's there. Let's say I want to open a chart on BTC and another chart with different indicators and drawings. How do I save it? I don't know. It's an interesting question. Is get out synonymous with buy the fucking dip or buy the bottom? Unfortunately not, DT. Get out is get out. But that's just me. I'm not in these positions, so it's easy for me to say that. Yeah. Alright, let's finish this list. So yeah, I think Stellar's it's gonna tag the low here. Will it hold? Nobody knows. Personally, wow, what if it were to bounce, this would be the most logical area. However, so far it hasn't given much of a reason to, not much to be inspired about, put it that way. Damn. It goes to show that projects that, have good FA, their chart won't always represent that. Often won't represent that, especially on the BTC pairing, since Bitcoin's doing so well. Matic is wrecked. Yes, it is, sir. Yes, it is. Yo, thank you for being so helpful in the chat side, Twitch. Appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Hold up, let me find this channel again. We can pause it. Boom. All right, XLM. Good luck. OCN Odyssey. Jesus. God damn it. Yeah, Martin, you can maybe screenshot my list if you're quick about it. You can go on Twitch, hit follow on Bagsy TV. Then you could click on the video, take a screenshot, and you'll be able to find yours. Which one? OCN? Yeah, it looks pretty bad, guys. I mean, you could probably catch an exit pump at some point, maybe to 2600. Or 226 sats. I don't know what the value is. I think it's 26 sats actually. I remember OCN back in its glory. But yeah. Good luck. LTO. You're welcome, Martin. You are welcome. LTO. Yo, it better bounce right now. That needs a bounce at 77.5. Ooh, another post about intelligence and different types of intelligence. Someone can write out and solve a complex math equation, but yet have total lack of social or emotional intelligence. Thank you, Josh. That's a very good point. Yeah, I was gonna check my DMs. One moment. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that is done. All right, what's next on this grand list? Bat. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one. That is gonna be fun. All right, let's get this. Now I'm gonna remove these buy and sell things because we're not giving fucking signals here. I'm just giving interesting levels to look at if someone's looking to buy or sell. Okay, what I don't like is that we're closing beneath the range. Let's put this on the daily. Yeah, this is not good. If we lose this area, come on, TradingView load. Having some technical difficulties. What's up within clouds? What's up, Super Tyke? Yeah, we did link in the beginning, but you'll be able to catch that at the end of the stream. Go on Twitch. You'll be able to find the recorded video. You can hover over. Hover over. Okay, I think we're going to tag 2056. Do I think we'll have a lot of support there? No, but I think there will be some bids resting there, maybe at 1983. You also have that 2K psychological number, so I think we could see at least a slight bounce. Would I buy it? Not necessarily, probably not. I don't like it because there's, after this 1.9K region on BAT, there's not much until the lows. So we haven't broken down yet, but if it does, I'd prepare for some blood. Good luck. Storage. Oh, good luck. There's a platform dude, I think some platform opened around this time and allowed people to start shorting altcoins. This was like adding futures at the top of the BTC rally. Ugh. Damn, I charted the wrong cent. Shit. Did I? Sentinel? Maybe it's that one. Okay, now I see why you guys... Wow. What do I do with this? What do I do with this? Let's go on the daily. That's not looking too hot right now. It just looks like a giant pump and dump. What did you guys do? It needs to hold 32. It needs to bounce there, and then it would need to close back above 36 for me to be bullish in the slightest. Something like that. Whatever. But if it just, I think it's just going to degrade. I don't know the FA on this. I don't know what they're doing. But for now, I'd be careful. Like, if you didn't take any profit from the bottom, I mean, depends what you're doing too. Are you a long-term hodler? It's a decent pump. I mean, let's look at that. Yeah, I mean, it's still pretty depreciated, but it gave people some hope. On the big picture, that's the 91 level is going to be hard to get through if this is actually bullish. But we will see. That is sent. QKC. Cork chain. It had a pump recently, no? This is interesting price action. I don't know. I don't trust it. I have trust issues with this coin. Quark chain. Am I in the cartel? The cartel. Yeah. If you're talking about that Discord, yeah, I am. I haven't really participated at all, but want to see what they were about. Yeah, you're welcome, Super Type. What do I think about RSR? Yeah, I talked about RSR. Yo, what's up, Crypto Mike? How you doing, bro? Zcash. Is it on the list? I will do it for you, but I am not supposed to be adding any. But you, my friend. Yeah, I would be careful with QKC. It just looks like, I don't know, I don't trust it. Good luck, have fun. Nem. Oh, this one's going to be glorious, guys. And girls. The Bagsy Cartel. I like that. Oh boy. Nem. There's no reason why it can't go all the way back down to 39. 30.8. Personally, that's what I would do. I'd get out. I would have been out a long time ago. Shit. Oh my god, what happened to you? Here, let me do it on. You were the chosen one. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, well, clearly it never did what it was supposed to do. See this on the 4-hour. It's an ugly trend line. What did I do there? Probably broke through. That's not good. Probably saw a divergence. Okay, yeah, so for this one, Matic, I was saying we should probably wait for one more bearish divergence. So one more leg down before considering any type of entry. Because the sell pressure is still really strong here, and I would not be getting in at this level. Firstly, because there's nothing beneath it. But secondly, I mean, if you were just to base yourself off divergences here, you would get fucked. So, A bullish divergence is all good, but if there's nothing beneath it, like a support level for confluence, you want to wait for more than that. So either a triple divergence and you start looking for an entry. But if you see one on your RSI or whatever indicator you use, but there's nothing but air beneath, like, be very careful. Yo, this is pissing me off. Sorry, my Discord's going off. Yo, so does Twitch have any Pepe emoticons and stuff we can use? I'd like to download some Pepe ones. That'd be pretty cool. Pepe. Alright, hopefully I did the right one now. The smartest guys are in crypto. Debatable. Debatable. Alright, one. Good luck, have fun. NKN. Alright, NKN. We'll do it on Bittrex. Oh boy, boy. Muy. There's no reason why we won't test 352, in my opinion. At least get the stops there and then bounce back to 430. Or at least 365. Down to 365-ish. Euro. Alright, the dude who was waiting for the euro. What pair did you want? Euro, Forex. Alright. Oh, that's a pump it. That's some real volume. That's pretty impressive. Either the euro shot the bed or the New Zealand dollar's been doing, or their economy's doing really well. That's a nice, it's a really nice 3-day. It's pretty nice. We got over the POC here. Closing above this level, I mean, if I were to long this based off technicals, I'd probably place some bids at the POC. Stop loss below this wick, and I target the highs. That would be a 3.42 hour play. So something like this. And disclaimer, like, I don't trade Forex, so this is just a technical way of looking at the chart for me. So take my opinion with a grain of salt. I don't know why I did that. The euro might come back with a vengeance and break through all-time high. 189. Oh, excuse me. Wow, this is an interesting chart. I gotta zoom out more. I forget that these Forex pairs have some history behind them. Yeah, that's a pretty good bounce. Yeah, not bad. That's that. What's up, Bags? You coming from Crypto Nikos' room? Love your channel. Yo, Romero. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you a lot. What's up, J-Bags? Welcome back. They sold the top and are now living. They sold you their $30 nano bags. Yo, take care, crew. Peace. You have time for Tomo? Ah, man. Maybe I'll think about it. ZRX, yeah. This is This is what I've been waiting for since here. Is this. And it's happening. It's happening. All right, Tomo. That's how long it took me to think about it. So yeah, I've been waiting for green box since we hit green box. So I think we're gonna get back there. So Tomo's like 45 to 40. Tomo bearish. Yeah. Yo, J-Bags, that is the best feeling, my friend. Nizo is the new Nano, that's funny. Yeah, you're welcome. After Pro M, you're very welcome. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we just did the entire list. So if you guys, here, page 1, page 2, last of it, and you guys can ignore the fixed Nightbot hard cap. That's for me. Yeah, you're welcome. Yo, how many? 1. Around 80 coins, including the stocks and random forex pair we just did. Yeah, it's been a good one, ladies and gents. So for everyone listening, that's my Twitter, YouTube, Discord. Click on it if you want to support the stream. You can use my Bybit ref link if you want a platform to do your work on. And I appreciate you all coming. I'm going to come up with the new schedule today. That's what I'm going to do after this. Yo, thanks, Badmon. Looked like a speed whack off from this end. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. It's been a pleasure. Do I think Zeke will bounce? It's true. I think I said I was going to do Zcash. I don't know if I did. I think I did, actually. Do I think it'll bounce? I have no reason to suspect that. If we go on the 4-hour. I mean, very, very, like, short term. Possibly. But macro picture, until we see one of those just dumps, you know, that big volume candle, these are just gonna be dead cat bounces, and a dead cat is just bounce, weaker, bounce, weaker, weaker. So yeah, unfortunately, I mean, I hope it's the bottom for you, obviously. But unless Zcash does something crazy or, you know, different, we have no reason to suspect it. So J-Bags, everyone. Oh, you're welcome, guys. Have a great, great afternoon, evening, and I'll catch you guys next time.